Tashdele everyone. So today here I'm teaching how to use yin, min and re, mare to be. Okay. So here kerang or kerang cho yin be and then nga cho yin min. So this is how we use yin min for first person. Okay, so when you are talking, especially when you are talking about the nationality, lungba, okay, and then che religions, and pomu yewa genders, and chele professions. If you are, especially if you are talking about these things, we should use nga or nga cho yin min. So it's a first person, okay? And kong or kongcho repe. So if you are talking about the third person or other person, and then we should use repe, and then kong or kongcho re mare. He is or she is or they are. So say. So I have more examples. I will give more examples down there, okay? So see here, 강사, 방보 mean first person, okay? So perna examples. So for examples are here, 걔랑 변해 임배. And then 걔랑 변해 임배 means, are you from Tibet? And then answer should be, 나 변해 인. 나 변해 민. Yes, I'm from Tibet, and I'm not from Tibet. Okay. 걔랑 베바인배. Are you Tibetan? 나 베바인. 나 베바민. So it's talking about the nationality. And the next one, 걔랑 저 낭바인배. Are you guys Buddhist? Nangba means Buddhist, okay? And the next answer saying, nga cho nangba yin. Yes, we are Buddhist. Nga cho nangba min. We are not a Buddhist, okay? And religions, okay? And then next one, 걔랑 부모인배. Are you female or girl? And then nga 부모 yin. Yes, I'm girl. nga 부모 min. I'm not a 부모. Okay. And the next one, this one is talking about the genders, right? And the next one, 걔랑 저 gegen yimbe. So are you guys a teacher? nga 저 gegen yin. ngancho gegen min. Okay, so yes, we are teacher and we are not a teacher. So this is talking about the professions, right? 걔랑 맨바인배. Are you doctor? So 맨바 means doctor, okay? nga 맨바인. nga 맨바 min. So yes, I'm doctor and I'm not a doctor. So see here, if you are talking about by yourself or including of you, then you should use yin and min. Yin and min. Okay, we commonly use nga yin, nga min. Yes, I am. I'm not, like this. Okay, and then next. So 강사 니바. So second person 걔랑. Or 강사 sumba. So third person. Okay. For examples are here. 콩 베바레베. Is he Tibetan? 콩 베바레. Yes, he is Tibetan. 콩 베바 마레. No, he is not a Tibetan. 콩 아리네 레베. Is he from Ari? Ari means America. Okay. 콩 아리네 레. Yes, he is from Ari. And 콩아리네 말해. No, he is not from Ari. So it's talking about the nationality, right? For third person. Yeah. And then next one, 콩초 낭바레베. They are Buddhist. 낭바 means Buddhist. Okay. 콩초 낭바레. Yes, they are Buddhist. 콩초 낭바 마레. They are not a Buddhist. Okay. So it's talking about the religion for third person, right? And the next one, 콘초 꾸쇼 레베. Is there are monks? 콘초 꾸쇼 레. Yes, they are monks. 콘초 꾸쇼 마레. They are not a monk. So it's talking about the genders. So 꾸쇼 means monks, right? 콩 청바 레베. 청바 means businessman or seller, shopkeeper. Okay. 콩 청바 레. Yes, he's seller. 콩 청바 마레. He's not. So this is for third person, right? We use re and mare. And here, di tebre, di tebre, di teb mare. So also when we use for other things, re and mare, we cannot use yin min for other things. Okay. And then say for the second person, if you are saying you are doctor, you are Tibetan, you are monks, then you should use re and mare. Okay, so thank you. See you in next video. And then if you are watching new, don't forget to subscribe and like and shares. Okay.